In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your reading notes during your PowerPoint presentation. This will allow you to engage more effectively with your audience without showing all your notes on the main presentation screen. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This is a crucial step because it's the program where you'll be working entirely for this task. Ensure you have the application installed and you're familiar with launching it. Once PowerPoint is up, locate and open your PowerPoint presentation. You should have a specific presentation in mind that you'll be working with today. If you're creating a new one, that's perfectly fine too. The process will remain the same. Now, once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You're going to look for something called the Slideshow tab. Typically, it's nestled somewhere between the Review and Animations tabs, depending on your version of PowerPoint. Click on Slideshow, and this will lead you into a set of options dedicated to how your presentation is viewed. Next, we focus on the monitor setup. In the Slideshow tab, you'll see a section on the ribbon labeled Monitors. Within this section, there's an option that says Use Presenter View. This is the feature we're going to be utilizing. Check the box next to Use Presenter View. What this does is quite wonderful. It splits the display between what's shown on the projector or secondary display and what you'll see on your computer screen. So while your audience sees the slides, you'll have your notes visible on your screen only. It keeps everything neat and keeps your focus exactly where it needs to be. Now that you've ensured the presenter view is ready, you'll want to add your speaker notes. These are the points or reminders that you might want to emphasize during your presentation. To enter these notes, navigate to each slide individually and look towards the bottom of the screen. There will be a section labeled Notes. Here you can jot down any additional information, reminders, or key discussion points that aren't displayed on the slide itself. These notes will only be visible to you when you're in presenter view. This is a fantastic tool, especially when you need to recall important details or statistics without interrupting the flow of your presentation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to discreetly refer to your notes while keeping your presentation seamless and professional. With practice, using presenter view can become an integral part of delivering polished and engaging PowerPoint presentations. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.